How to buy CHILLGUY Coin on Phantom Wallet. It's easy and simple. Now make sure you are logged into your Phantom Wallet account. Now after that, tap on the last icon from the bottom bar. Now after you tap on it, now tap on search and search for CHILLGUY. So after you find it, tap on it. And now, as you can see, we have the swap. And if you want to make sure it is the right coin, now just tap on more. And as you can see, tap on view on Solana. So here, as you can see, we have these like social media accounts, so you can check them and check their websites. Now after that, tap on swap. Now as you can see, we want now to convert or swap CHILLGUY to like Solana. So tap on this icon of convert, and now as you can see here, enter how much of the CHILLGUY you want to swap, want to buy. Let's see how much of the Solana you will receive. Now after you are ready to go, now just tap on swap here, because I have funds, I can't find it. So for you, just tap on swap and you will be able to buy CHILLGUY Coin on Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.